We're going in, we're gonna get a whole bunch of cool stuff in here, we're gonna build something. Yeah, no, bro. Alright, I got the drill. What is it? Hey, VEEZY Fam! We are on the side of our house, and these canals are huge. We've never really explored the fish that are in here. I know there's some monsters. The locals that always come up and say hi to us catch some crazy fish. And then I keep seeing all these videos of people like Fanatic and our friends that are catching everything with these fish traps from Home Depot. Yeah. So today, me and Anthony are going to Home Depot, making a fish trap, throwing it in here, and we're gonna catch a monster. If you're excited, hit the like button right now.
Get it! Let's get it!
If you want me, you can find me in the
The holy grail of all building stores, Home Depot. So we're going in, we're gonna get a whole bunch of cool stuff in here, we're gonna build something. Can you see in the camera? Oh, I'm gonna bring my son. One of these days we should literally take a shopping cart and use that to make a fish trap. Imagine this, 2 shopping carts on top of each other, zip tied together with a hole in the middle. Oh my gosh.
Look at this dude.
These buckets here, we could cut a hole on this side and he'll swim in. So we need, I would just say grab one of those. We just need 1 bucket, all right? One? Yeah, no, bro. Yo, we definitely need these, 2 of these. So look, you take this one and you stick it in here. What? No. Look, you take this, you zip tie these 2 together with, and then you use that thing. Sorry. And you use this, and you put this in the hole here, like that.
And we need some zip ties with it. That's a
Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Anthony, you stand here, pretend you're a fish.
Okay.
Zip ties. We need a bag of zip ties. Find me some good. No, I'm not doing the rainbow ones. I told you that last video, dude. White, basic, small, perfect. Yes.
Wait. I'm making it into here. You guys have to get me 1,000 likes.
So if you make it in there, we get 1,000 likes?
Yeah.
All right, let's put it right
this
there. That deserves 1,000 likes, guys. Go ahead, hit that like button. Oh, hey, oh. What is that? All right. We're back, guys, and we got this thing that we're gonna make. So, easiest thing to do, drill some holes. All right, how about you hold it like this, and I'll drill the holes. All right, go. Hold it, bro. All right, Tony's holding it. I got the drill. 1.
Dude, that was so easy.
2.
For me to rap like a computer must be in my jeans. I got a laptop in my back pocket, my pinnacle.
All right, boom.
When I hat cock it, got a fat knock from that rat profit. Made a living and a killing off it. Ever since Bill Clinton.
That's it. Couple holes. Now we gotta get the zip ties. Oh, look, I'm bleeding, bro.
Oh.
Suck the blood out. Become a vampire.
Yeah!
Technical difficulties. Let us finish putting these zip ties on and we'll come back to you as soon as it's done. All right, we got to put together. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. We are going to catch some monsters. Snip. Yeah, that's gonna... You cut your finger off?
No.
If that happens, bro, we're using your finger as bait. Wait, how do we make the initial hole? Oh, great. I'll teach you how to build stuff, son.
Look at this dude.
Oh, yeah. And then you put this one next to it. Oh, yeah. Right. I don't think that's working.
It's coming after me.
Hold on. Oh yeah, We were able to cut a hole. It's not the most beautiful hole, but wait, why are you throwing that in the garbage? We need to use that. Oh, all right. Let's see if that fits in it. Come on, you got this.
Bruh.
Jump it in. Go, go, go. No? We need to cut a piece off of the side? All right, so we need a hole in here, but it can't be too big because the fish are gonna go in here and they're gonna be too stupid to go out here. Why are fish like that? Does anybody know? I don't think this is the proper way to use this tool, guys, so don't do this without, I guess, parents around, but we're going, let's go.
Woo!
Watch this, guys. Wait, we don't need this. Maybe we did if we had to pull this out. You're gonna be sticking your hand in here, Anthony. All right, watch this, everybody. This goes in here and jam it.
Goes right through.
Now, if this ain't the cheapest, easiest, awesomest... What?
Look at it. It's literally like...
It's good.
It's crooked and look.
You're crooked. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. So we were digging in the garage, and we always find stuff that Paul Cafaro left. He left this trap, which is a nice, you know, you stick your thing in here, turn it over.
Here.
So it opens here, it's like a nice one. I think our trap is better than the one that Paul Cafaro left.
It's way bigger. Look.
Guys, comment down below right now whose trap is gonna catch, what do you want to say, the most fish or the biggest fish?
The most.
We're gonna challenge Paul Cafaro's fish trap to see which one catches the most. Whatever this is, Hakabi Bio Pure Jumbo Miso Shrimp. Try it. It's good? Oh, you broke it, bro. So we got already broken pieces of this because we feed it to the fish in our 4,000 gallon. We're gonna use a couple giant chunks of that and cat food.
Oh my catty. Oh my catty.
We don't want our awesome trap to have an advantage, so we're gonna use the same bait. Boom. That's that good meow mix, guys. You guys have catfish like we do in there? Meow mix. It's the best, to be honest. Close these two up. We're gonna poke some holes in them. We're gonna put this away, put this away. Taste the cat food to make sure it's good. Let me see you eating it. What's it taste like? You swallowed it?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Cats.
I am not Jasmine, I am Aladdin.
So here's the thing, are we gonna throw both in the exact same spot?
I think we should throw one,
One there?
one
And like one there? I see a lot of fish in there, dude.
there and one there.
Load them full of the bait. Do not lose the string.
How was that? Jeez. Holy moly.
Well, your string is not long. Actually, that's okay. All right, we'll tie it around something. Get the next one. Why does your string have a knot? Hold on, guys. Next one.
Wait, where's the top? Oh, it's right there.
Open the thing and make the thing and do the thing. I don't think we should throw it in the same place. Let's go down here a little bit. Ooh, that was a good throw, man. You kind of gave Paul's trap an advantage with that.
I'll pull it in.
No, leave it. What I would do, bro, is I would get like a stick or a rock and tie it to the end of the ropes or something. Let's do 1 hour and 10 minutes.
It's not, right?
Ready? Go. So we're gonna leave these out here for about an hour or so. We're gonna come back and we're gonna see who has the better fish trap. Guys, again, comment down below who's you think's gonna win. Paul's professional store-bought one or me and Anthony's janky backyard garage building Home Depot one. Bro, what are you doing? That's like a whole palm tree. All right, so we got 1 hour and then we're gonna come back. All right?
We should put a GoPro in there.
What do you
On
think?
The trap, yeah.
One eternity later.
We got 30 seconds left. You ready to go check the trap?
Yeah.
Who do you think's won? Ours or the store-bought one?
Ours! Ours! Ours!
All right, go hop that fence. Let's go. 1, 2, oh. Jeez, that's good. Hey, hold it. I can hop. I didn't even touch that fence. All right, what are we looking? Oh. Hold on. Stop. So let's see if Paul Cafaro's store-bought one caught anything. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Bro!
What the heck is that?
Oh, nothing.
That's nothing.
A snail.
Hey, we did catch a snail. What the heck? Is it one in there?
Yeah.
Throw it in the 4,000 gallon. Put it in your pocket.
I don't have one.
Yeah, I don't want to buy it. Here, put it up here. Hey guys, so the store-bought one, we caught a snail.
Well, nothing else.
But nothing else. Now, let's check ours. Pull it in, son. Go, 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 go. I see. Really? Go, 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 go. What is it?
What is it?
Oh my goodness! Yo! Yo, hold on, hold on. Wait, 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 wait. We gotta get this thing, pull this. All right, get him out of there. Actually, we'll dump it. I don't want you to get cut. Let's dump him and throw him in and show the people. Get him out, get him out, get him all out. Holy, what is it? Pick him up, is he alive?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he is. Here, throw him in the water, let's watch him swim away. One. Oh, he swam!
What?
Is that guy good? Hold on, look at him.
Look how big
Look
he
at
is.
it, look at his mouth. Oh, he's breathing. What's in his mouth? Hold on, let's look at him for a second. That is, dude, that is so cool looking. All right, nicely, gentle. Bro, you, well, 3? Wait, there was 4 in there?
Yeah. Got this one?
Oh, look at his lips, he's breathing. Wait, I want to see him.
Then this last one.
Oh, he's kissing. Wait, let me see his mouth. I want him. All right, toss him in so he lives. Yeah, baby.
Wow!
What do you think?
You know who won. You know who won.
The do-it-yourself backyard. I can't believe. I honestly cannot believe that thing just caught 4 fish. Comment down below if we should take this to like a big lake or something, or the ocean and catch a shark. No, you didn't win. Not today, Paul Cafaro's store-bought thing. I can't believe they just caught 4 fish. That's so dope. Guys, if you like these challenges where we just go build stuff and throw it in the water and hope it catches a fish, comment down below. Make sure you like this video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you can get notified when we drop bangers like this. Because this video was fun and we like making them. And me and this guy have a great time. Job well done. Boom, 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 boom. Until next time, guys. Peace.